Hello PH vendors and welcome back to today's episode. So if you are selling anything from designer shoes to homemade zobo here in Port Harcourt, raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You're constantly checking your WhatsApp messages, your Instagram DMs, copying and pasting the same product descriptions, chasing payments, and also trying to remember who ordered what again. Welcome to the world of DM selling. So let's break down this DM life that many of us know so well. You are the marketer, the customer service rep, the accountant, and the delivery coordinator, all rolled into one. It all starts with an innocent message. Someone sees your post on Instagram or your WhatsApp status, and they send that "hello dear" message, and the madness starts. They send pictures of this item. Send me prices. You start sending pictures, prices, negotiate, take orders, track payments, and delivery. You are doing all these while actually trying to package and deliver existing orders. After talking to numerous vendors here in Port Harcourt, from Rumuola to Oginigba to GRA, we've identified the 5 biggest struggles that vendors face here in Port Harcourt. The struggle number 1 is "I saw this on your status" amnesia. Customers see your post on your status today and start asking you about that item 3 weeks later, and you find yourself scrolling to 200 posts trying to find out the exact post a customer is referring to. Struggle number 2 is the payment puzzle. You receive payments in form of bank transfers, cash, POS transactions, and also transfers into your POS account. Tracking who paid what and when becomes a full-time job. Struggle number 3 is, can you deliver to a certain location? A customer sends you a DM on WhatsApp, makes payment, and tells you, can you make a delivery from Rumibekwe to Ogoni before 4 p.m. today? And this order is coming in around 2 p.m. Good luck with Port Harcourt traffic. Then the 4th struggle is the catalog chaos. Your phone gallery now becomes a mixture of your child's birthday pictures, screenshots of memes you saw online, and product images. If a customer requests for a picture of a particular item, scrolling through your gallery is more like mission impossible. And struggle number 5 is the scale ceiling. There's only one you, but the demand for your products keeps increasing. How do you scale when you are already working 18 hours a day? It becomes a problem. Now, what if I told you there's a better way to do business? Enter the multi-vendor marketplace. This is like moving your business from a roadside shop to a proper shopping mall. Here's how a platform like PHVendorSquare solves all these struggles. With a marketplace like PHVendorSquare, you get an always-on digital storefront. Your products are available 24/7 with clear prices and descriptions. No more "I saw it but I forgot." Customers can now browse at their convenience. Solution to struggle number 2 is that you now have streamlined payments. One system handles all payments automatically. You get notified immediately when payments come through, no more manual tracking. A multi-vendor marketplace now provides you with an organized delivery system. You now have clear delivery zones, professional logistic partners, and automated tracking. No more delivery surprises. A marketplace also provides you with a professional product management. You now have a dedicated space for your products with professional photos, organized categories, and inventory tracking. And lastly, the solution to the 5th struggle we mentioned, you now have access to built-in growth tools. There's access to customer insights, marketing tools, and a built-in customer base. You just focus on your products while the platform handles the rest. The truth is that the DM selling business model is what got you started, but it won't help you scale. It will make you stagnant. A multi-vendor marketplace like PHVendorSquare gives you the tools to build a real and sustainable business empire right here in Port Harcourt. But here is the best part. You don't have to figure this out on your own. We've created a vibrant community where vendors like you are sharing tips, solving problems, and growing together. I want to personally invite you to join our exclusive PHVendorSquare Discord server. It's your space to get expert advice on transitioning from the DM selling model to the marketplace selling. It's also a space to connect with reliable delivery partners here in Port Harcourt and also share your experience and learn from other vendors. You can also get early access to new features and promotions. The link is waiting for you in the description box below. Click the link and join hundreds of vendors in Port Harcourt who are already building the future of e-commerce. Your business deserves this upgrade. Remember, your products are amazing. Now give them that platform that they deserve. Like this video if you found it helpful, and also subscribe for more educational tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.